Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to change boot splash in Windows. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. So, let's begin. For changing the boot splash, you'll need a tool and a logo of your choice. Here I have extracted the tool and also have the logo. If you don't have a logo or custom image, by default this image will be your boot splash. To modify the boot splash image, open splash image with paint, change the resolution and make sure to keep your image in the same resolution. If your image isn't in the same resolution, then change it. After changing the resolution of your image, copy it and paste it to the splash file opened in Paint and then save the file. After saving, open Setup as administrator. Now, press I to install and kill all the tasks and restart your PC to see the change. And as you can see, the boot splash has been changed. If you want to remove it, open the Setup as administrator. Now, press R key, and then press any key to quit, and restart your PC to see the change. And as you can see, the boot splash has been changed. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.